It's a Tuesday night. You open your bank app, $47. Payday is 9 days away. You made $3,000 this month. You didn't buy anything crazy. No vacations, no designer bags, no fancy dinners, but the money is gone, and you can't even explain where it went. That feeling in your chest right now, that's not failure. That's a system working exactly how it was designed. And by the end of this video, you're going to see every dollar that disappeared and why none of it was your fault. $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 a year. According to the Census Bureau, that's close to the median individual income in America. You're not behind, you're actually right in the middle. But here's what nobody tells you about being in the middle. The middle is designed to keep you stuck. Every bill, every subscription, every minimum payment, they're all calibrated to take just enough that you survive, but never enough that you build. Think about your last 3 months. Did your savings go up, or did you just get by? Most people at $3,000 a month aren't wasting money. They're being drained by a system that knows exactly how much they make and charges them accordingly. Rent takes 30% to 40%. A car payment takes another 15%. Insurance, utilities, a phone bill, groceries. By the time you add it up, you realize the math was never going to work in your favor. Not by accident, by design. Here's how the drain actually works. Your $3,000 doesn't arrive as $3,000. Federal taxes, state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, those come out first. For most people in this bracket, you're already down to about $2,600 before you touch a single dollar. Now, the fixed costs hit. Rent or mortgage is the biggest one. The national average for a one-bedroom apartment is $1,200 a month, according to Zillow. In some cities, it's $1,500 or more. But let's stay conservative. $1,200. That leaves you $1,400. Now your car. The average car payment in America is $726 a month, according to Experian. But a lot of people at this income level are driving something older with a lower payment. Say $350, including insurance. You're now at $1,050. Utilities, electric, water, internet. That's about $250, down to $800. Your phone plan, $80. Groceries for one person. The USDA says a moderate food plan costs about $350 a month. You're at $370, and we haven't touched gas. We haven't touched laundry. We haven't touched the $15 streaming service, or the $12 cloud storage, or the gym membership you forgot you had. Those small charges add up to $50, $80, even $120 a month, and suddenly you're at $200, maybe less. That's the invisible drain. It's not one big purchase destroying you. It's 40 small ones. Let's do the full math together. No guessing, no rounding, just real numbers. You earn $3,000 a month gross. After taxes and deductions, you take home about $2,600. Rent, $1,200. Car payment and insurance, $350. Utilities and internet, $250. Phone, $80. Groceries, $350. Gas for your car, $120. Subscriptions you barely use, $70. That's $2,420 in costs that feel completely non-negotiable. You've got $180 left, but we're not done. Minimum payment on a credit card. The average American carries about $6,500 in credit card debt, according to TransUnion. The minimum payment on that, roughly $130 a month, most of that is interest. Almost none of it goes to the actual balance. Now you're at $50. Then life happens. Your tire goes flat. That's $150. Your kid needs school supplies. $40. A friend's birthday. $25. You cover it. But now your credit card balance went up, not down. And next month, the minimum payment is a little higher. The cycle tightens. So after taxes, after bills, after minimums, after just existing, you have about $127 on an average month. That's $4.23 a day. Not for savings, not for investing, not for building anything, for surviving. And the worst part, you did nothing wrong. You didn't waste money. You didn't live beyond your means. The means just weren't enough. That is the paycheck trap. The gap between earning a living and building a life. Now ask yourself, who benefits when you live like this? Your landlord collects $1,200 every month. They're building equity. You're not. Your car lender makes money on interest. The longer you take to pay it off, the more they earn. Your credit card company charges 22% to 28% interest. That's $6,500 balance. If you only make minimums, you'll pay over $9,000 total. They nearly doubled their money using yours. Your phone company locks you into a contract. Your streaming services auto-renew and bet that you won't cancel. Even your grocery store is optimized to make you spend more than you planned. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that low-income households pay more per unit for basic goods. It's called the poverty premium. You pay more for worse products because you can't afford to buy in bulk. The insurance company charges you more because your credit score is lower. The bank offers you a savings account with 0.1% interest while lending your money out at 7%. Every institution touching your $3,000 is taking a cut, and they all know something you were never taught. They know the math doesn't leave anything for you. That's not a side effect. That's the business model. The biggest objection you hear is this: just make more money. And sure, earning more helps. But here's what the data shows. A study from Princeton found that even when income goes up, most people's spending goes up at the exact same rate. It's called lifestyle creep if you don't fix the system around your money first. Making more just feeds the same machine faster. So here's what actually works. Step 1. Do a subscription audit tonight. Pull up your bank statement from the last 30 days. Circle every charge under $20. Most people find $80 to $150 in subscriptions they forgot about or barely use. Cancel at least 2 tonight. Step 2. Move $150 a month into a high-yield savings account, not a regular savings account at your bank earning 0.1%. A high-yield account earning 4% to 5%. That's an extra $6 to $7 a month in free money, just for parking your cash somewhere smarter. Step 3. Attack your highest interest debt with every extra dollar. That credit card at 24%. Every $100 you put toward it saves you $24 a year in interest. It sounds small, but it compounds. If you redirect $150 a month toward that $6,500 balance, instead of minimums, you pay it off in about 4 years and save over $4,000 in interest. None of these steps require a raise. None require a side hustle. Just awareness and a decision. 2 people, both making $3,000 a month. Same city, same rent, same bills. Person A does nothing different. They keep paying minimums. They keep every subscription. They let the system run on autopilot. After 5 years, Person A still carries $5,800 in credit card debt. They've paid over $9,000 in interest alone. Their savings account has $300 in it. They're one flat tire away from a payday loan. Person B watched a video like this one. They canceled $90 in subscriptions that same week. They opened a high-yield savings account and set up a $150 auto transfer. They put an extra $150 toward their credit card every month. After 1 year, Person B has $1,800 in savings and cut their credit card balance nearly in half. After 5 years, Person B is debt-free. Their savings account has over $10,000 in it. They're not rich, but they're not trapped. They have options. They have breathing room. They have the one thing Person A never got: a margin. Same paycheck, same city, same bills. The only difference, Person B understood where the money was going, and they redirected it. That's it. That's the whole secret. You're not bad with money. You were just never shown where it was going. Every dollar that left your account had a destination, and none of those destinations were you. That changes now. Tonight, pull up your bank statement, Find the leaks, redirect even $50 because the trap only works when you can't see it. Now you can. This is not your fault. Nobody taught you this, but now you know, and knowing changes everything.